Currently, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is rocking the Android world. But let's cast our eyes ahead. Yes, we're talking about the mighty Galaxy S24 series expected to hit the shelves early next year, with a potential mid-January announcement before going on sale in early February. These flagships are sure to set the tech world on fire. So without further ado, let's dive into the juiciest details we've got so far. Design and display. If we're reading the Samsung signs right, we're looking at a trio. A standard 6.1-inch model, a 6.6-inch Galaxy S24 Plus, and a whopping 6.8-inch Galaxy S24 Ultra. But hey, here's the twist. The S24 Plus might just nudge a bit larger. A tiny 0.05-inch bump that can actually shake things up in the feature department. Now, let's chat style. LeakerTech_Reeves spills the tea that the S24 and S24 Plus will flaunt a design akin to their S23 siblings. But hang on, Samsung loves a good style tweak each year, so expect a surprise or two. And rumor has it, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might flaunt titanium sides, taking a page from the iPhone 15 Pro Max playbook. For the displays themselves, we should see OLED panels and a slick 120Hz max refresh rate across the board. The regular and Plus models are aiming for a 48Hz minimum refresh, while the Ultra takes it up a notch with a super efficient 1Hz minimum. Also, rumor has it that the S24 and S24 Plus might snag LTPO displays for that ultra-level awesomeness. Picture this, the S24 Ultra dazzling with a potential 2800 nits and the S24 Plus not far behind at 2500 nits. Plus, the S24 Plus might bump up to a QHD resolution, making it stand out from its FHD sibling. Oh, and expect those bezels to get slimmer, adding to that immersive screen experience. Camera. While there's not much buzz around the camera scene, a juicy rumor has surfaced. It seems the S24 and S24 Plus might rock the same impressive 50-megapixel cameras we loved in the S23 lineup. Hold tight because the beloved 12-megapixel ultra-wide, the 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and the 12-megapixel selfie sensors from the S23 series are likely making a comeback for the S24 counterparts. Selfie lovers, rejoice. The 12-megapixel selfie camera isn't going anywhere. But here's the showstopper. The S24 Ultra might level up its telephoto game. Rumor has it, we're talking longer zoom, sharper optics, a bigger sensor, and a wider aperture for brighter snaps. Picture this, zooming up to a staggering 150x with the added perk of variable zoom. Talk about taking photography to the next level. Stay tuned for those camera revelations. We're in for a treat. Specs and performance. Hold on to your hats because Samsung is gearing up to revolutionize its Galaxy S24 series with some serious processing power. Rumor has it that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is ready to rock the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, promising a performance boost that's set to outshine its predecessor. Picture a combo of prime performance and efficiency cores unleashing unparalleled power while maintaining efficiency. A true powerhouse. But here's where it gets spicy. Word on the street is that Samsung might switch things up based on where you're buying. Snapdragon for the Ultra worldwide, but a dance between Snapdragon and Exynos 2400 for the S24 and S24 Plus, depending on your region. Hold your horses, gamers. The S24 is bringing the heat with a GPU that's up to 50% faster. Imagine blazing through games and demanding apps, leaving the competition in the dust. And guess what? More RAM on the horizon, minus 12 gigs for the S24 and S24 Plus, a nice jump from the S23 models. Plus, storage upgrades galore. Starting at 256 gigs for the base model, it's a storage lover's dream come true. Stay tuned as Samsung gears up to redefine smartphone performance. This is going to be a wild ride. Battery life and charging. Get ready for a battery revolution in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 Plus. The power game is about to get an upgrade. Rumor has it, Samsung's cooking up a stacked battery design that brings better energy density without bulking up the size. We're talking a potential 10% boost in energy density. Imagine more power in the same sleek package. Initially, the buzz was about the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra packing the same battery punch as their S23 predecessors. But hold up, whispers suggest the S24 Plus might just power up to 4,900 mAh, a sweet bump from the previous model. And the S24 Ultra might score a charging speed boost to 65 watts, zooming past the S23's 45-watt charging. However, we're still awaiting the official word on charging speeds. Faster charging across the board would be a game changer, especially with whispers of the iPhone 15 series joining the USB-C club. Let's keep our fingers crossed for a whole new level of charge power. And that is a wrap on today's video. We delve deep into the exciting world of Samsung Galaxy S24, uncovering leaks that promise a smartphone revolution. Are these leaks enticing enough to make you crave the latest flagship in just a few months? Tell us what you think in the comments below. Your thoughts fuel our tech adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.